Hi friends, welcome back to Advanced PHP tutorial. Today I will discuss about MVC structure. MVC is basically a software architectural pattern used to implement user interface. MVC stands for Model, Views and Controller. These are three interconnected parts of software architecture. The reason of three parts are basically arranging user interface and the code structure in a better way. The main reason to separate in three parts to separate business logic and the application data for user interface. The three parts of MVC are models, views and controller. So what is controller? In the name we can understand the what is controller. Control is something which is responsible to control. Whenever users sends a request from a browser or through any APIs, it always first receive from the controller. Then controller process that request and decides for further progress. The controller is responsible to take decision and a request will go to the next part. Controller can request a model and model will respond back to the controller and again controller decide the appropriate view for user. So the next thing is model. So what is model? Model is responsible to prepare all type of data based on controller request. Model will directly access database and do query about that request which was sent by the controller, and after that response back to the controller with the data. Model is not responsible to prepare any view or any presentation for the user. So now the last word is the view. Whatever we see in browser is coming from view. View is responsible to present data in a proper manner in the browser. After preparation of data, controller finally requests view to load all the data and view represents that data as a response which can be viewed by end user, that is client. The client can view the result. So this is the basic concept of MVC and the use of and the purpose of each separate things. So why we use the MVC? What is the benefit of MVC? Main reason of using the MVC is it is the faster development and it have the easy modification functionality and it can reuse the code and it's SEO friendly. So let's discuss how it's working. So faster development, it is easy for multiple developers to collaborate and work togetherly. It supports rapid and parallel development. It is possible when one developer work on a view and the same time another developer can work on a controller. This way, compared to other things, MVC is more powerful and more faster than other. The next is easy modification. In MVC, all business logic are implemented in a controller. All database related things are implemented in a model, and the view have their another separate purpose to represent the data. So if we need to modify anything, we can go to the particular location and modify these things. So initially when we have any problem or we need to anything to modify, we will just go to the particular position and we just fix it. That takes the less modification time. The another most important thing is code reusability. For a particular logic, we can create a particular function or can create a model for a particular table or database. If we need something in multiple sections and that's need in the different section of our project, we will not going to create these things again and again. We will just call these things and can load specific model. Another important things of MVC is SEO friendly. MVC platform supports the development of SEO friendly application. It provides easy to develop SEO friendly URLs in order to generate more visit on a specific page. So MVC design pattern is surely a great approach to building a software application. It is easy to implement and most of new framework are already providing the MVC structure. So friends, it's all about MVC. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Next day, I will discuss about OOPS concept. Thanks for watching.